and welcome back to my channel. So today is long awaited. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, by the way, I'm wearing my black wig today, obviously. But for those of you who do not know, I've been growing my hair out for about almost 6 months now. I'm trying to get to the 6-month mark before I dye my roots. So I'm trying these other things, which explains why I have not made any hair videos in probably like 8 months, which is crazy and is really hard for me not to do because I absolutely love making hair videos. So today, that's what we're doing, and I am so freaking excited to dive into the world of dreadlocks. So for about the past 2 months, I've been really interested in dreadlocks. Like, I think there's only 3 kinds. There may be more out there. So there's synthetic, there's wool, and then there's human hair dreadlocks. So the ones that we're going to be doing today are synthetic, and these are the ones that I have already made. There's probably about 15. These are about 15 dreadlocks. These are just some of the ones that I have been making. They're pretty cute. I feel like I might make an entire playlist about dreadlocks because there's so many videos that you can make about them. I'm gonna be showing you guys in the future how to like wash your dreads if you have synthetic dreads, how to braid in your synthetic dreads. That will be a next video. I just need to make all my dreads first, so stay tuned for that. But today I'm going to be showing you how to make synthetic dreads starting from scratch. So first off, before we get started, I'm going to tell you everything that you're going to need, the supplies, and where you can get this synthetic hair. So me personally, I got these. So these are specifically for braiding. I'm sure you've seen it before on girls where they braid in colors into their hair. These are the brand Urban Beauty, and most of the time what you see on the outside of the bag is 100% cane cologne. I think I said that right. But there are so many different colors you can choose from. You can find these at your local beauty supply store, and if you don't have one near you, you can find these on eBay for probably like $1. These each, I think these were $1.50 each at my local beauty supply store, and they had all rainbow colors. I decided to get the blonde that I have right now underneath this wig and hot pink. So that's what I'm starting with today. Maybe in the future I'll add in some other ones. But what you're gonna need is obviously the hair. You're gonna need a teasing comb or any type of comb. This is just the one that I have laying around right now. It's just a plastic comb. You might need scissors. You're going to need a damp rag, and I'll show you guys in a little bit what this is going to be used for, but you need a damp rag, preferably one that's pretty thin, and you need a straightener to use. And that's all you're going to need to use, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and by the way, I personally, you'll see it in a second, but me personally, I could care less because this hair is going in my head. So I use my foot, like my toes and my feet, to hold the hair down when I am teasing it back. So no one judge me in the comments about using my feet because I don't care. It's whatever your preference is. You can use a hanger, anything that's going to hold your extensions down while you're teasing it. So alright, so I don't know if you guys can see me very well, but this is what you're going to do. You're gonna lay your hair out completely flat like this. And what you're gonna do is take off this part, and you're literally just going to grab a little strand like this, or however big you want to have your dread. But I like to make little ones, so we're gonna do a little one. So you're just gonna pull it apart, and don't mix it up. Keep it just like this. Lay it down, and then clip your other hair out of the way, and then you can put it somewhere. Alright, so the next step is you're going to place it all the way back down, completely flat. And you're gonna put your foot right in the middle, like this. So you have your hair right here. And all you're gonna do is take your teasing comb, let's zoom in. And you're just gonna take your teasing comb and you're just gonna pull it. You're just gonna tease it, try and get it all the way to the top, and then smooth it down. Tease it back up, smooth it, tease it. Let's go ahead and put this in fast forward. Alright, okay, so what you should have now is a really messy piece of hair that is teased. The next step that you're going to do, you're going to take your piece of hair and twist. I would say twist about 2 inches So if you guys can see right here, that is probably about 2 inches. So that's where we're gonna start. So here's when your damp rag comes in. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your damp rag, set it over the top, and then what you're gonna do, and you're gonna go over the part and let it sizzle and steam over the part that you just twisted. And what that's gonna do, that's gonna lock in your synthetic hair into that twist you just made. And if you want it super secure, you can take it off while the hair is still a little bit damp and just go over it by itself. And you're just gonna do that all the way down. You're just gonna keep twisting and doing that method that I just showed you. Let's just go ahead and do that and fast forward. Now that we have this side done, look how beautiful it looks. That's what it looks like. We're just gonna flip it over and make sure you leave a little section because it needs to fall just like this. So you're gonna leave about this much of the hair out. And we're just gonna start from right here. So we have successfully made our dread, and isn't she beautiful? So now you know how to make dreads, and you can do that for any size. You can make any size, and adding little accessories are really easy, like little beads that you can add onto the ends of your hair and make them like really cute, and accessorize them and just style them how you like. So you can accessorize them, put anything on them. That's it for today. I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed it. So if you thought I did a good job explaining how to do this, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below. And I do post a new video every single Wednesday, so if you're not subscribed already, what are you doing? Go and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day, and goodbye.